Beautifuls, it's Tiffany here. Welcome back to my channel, Living Beautifully. If you're new here, welcome, and please consider clicking that subscribe button. We would love to have you as a part of the beautiful crew. We also have how-tos, reviews, we have vlogs, and we have information about Washington, D.C. Today I'm here to give you all travel tips. You know you're always supposed to prepare your home for when you're away from it for travel. So you're always supposed to leave a light on when you're gone. So I have two ways on how to do that today. The first way is through the smart bulb, and you can check out one of my other videos and see how to use this. But today we're going to talk about the Feit smart plug. So let's go ahead and get started and see how we can prepare our home for travel. Let's go. So here's a quick look at the packaging. I got mine from Costco, so you get 3 in the pack. And it shows you everything that it can connect to for holiday lights, fans, lamps, appliances. And if you look at the back, yes, you can connect it to Alexa and Siri and Google. And again, they list everything that you can connect it to: fans, slow cookers, humidifiers, whatever. And then you can scan down there, and that can lead you to the app. Alright, so first you're going to find a nice outlet. And then you're going to plug in whatever device you want to turn on, plug that into the smart plug, and then plug the smart plug into the outlet. Next, you're going to press the button. Press and hold the button until the light starts blinking. That way you know that it is connected to your Wi-Fi. After that, you're going to go into the Feit app, and you're going to add a device. It can kind of detect when there's a device added once the light starts blinking. So there it is. It says smart indoor plug. So you just select that and you can see where the circle is going around. So it's loading there. And once it loads, you'll see you can give it a name. I put that in my kitchen, so I named it kitchen. And then from there you can go ahead and turn it on and off right from that spot. Or you can go down at the bottom and select the schedule or the timer. So here's the schedule here. So you just go ahead and set it for whatever time that you want it to turn on and whatever time you want it to turn off. And then from there on, you go ahead and hit the repeat button. I didn't show that there, but where it says once, you can set it for whatever days of the week that you want, or every day if you want. And then this is a quick look at the timer. So once it's on, you can set it to stay on for however long, or you can set it to turn on after a certain amount of time. So yeah, the device will be on for 3 hours. I had it for 3 hours. Then you have your list right there. If you're going to plan on using the Feit smart plug for your home while you're away for travel. Again, I hope this was helpful, and continue to live beautifully. Bye everyone.